The next type of fine arts that I would like to discuss is art of dance. Dance is one of the mediums of realizing beauty with tal and lay for the realization of aesthetic joy. Shiva, the lord of dance, is Nataraja. Traditional classical dances are Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi and Manipuri. First, let us see Bharatnatyam. It originated in Tanjore in Tamil Nadu. Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni and Abhinav Darpan by Nandikeshwar are original sources of Bharatnatyam. Gopi Krishna, Mrinalini Sarabai, Vaijanti Mala and Hema Malini are famous exponents of this dance. It was created in the 15th century. It is based on the description of women's beauty using different poses and gestures. It is famous in Andhra Pradesh. Guru Prahlad Sharma, Raja Reddy, Shobha Naidu are well-known Kuchipudi dancers. It is famous in Kerala. It has been derived from the dramas based on the Ramayana and Mahabharata as well as Sanskrit and Malayalam dramas. Dancers wear beautiful plated attires and an artistic crown on their head. They also paint their faces in various colors, especially green, white and red, using vegetable dyes. They use poses, gestures and facial expressions to describe the characters. Poet of Kerala, Sri Vallathot Kalamandalam and Krishna Prasad have become famous. Kathak. Kathan kare so Kathak kahave is related to Kathak. Kathak narrates life events of Lord Krishna. It has developed with Shringar Bhakti of Vaishnav community. Women wear narrow trousers and frilled frock. Pandit Sri Birju Maharaj, Sitara Devi and Kumudini Lakhya are famous Kathak dancers. Manipuri. It is based on Ras Leelas and Bal Leelas of Sri Krishna. It is divided into two types, Lasya and Tandav. The plaited green colored petticoat is known as kumin. Silk blouse and belt are also worn. Guru Bipin Sinha, Naina Javeri and Nirmal Mehta are well known Manipuri dancers. This type of fine arts is dramatic art. Presenting sanskar with entertainment is the unique feature of Indian dramatic art. Anchor and a pair of clowns entertain the audience. This is rather like the Sutradhar in the Sanskrit dramas. Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni is well known. Dramatic art is the amalgamation of all arts. That means it is the combination of all arts. Devasur Sangram is the first drama by Bharat Muni. Famous writers of Sanskrit literature include Bhasa. He has written Karnabhar, Urubhangam, Dutavakyam, which are based on the Mahabharata. Kalidas, world famous Sanskrit dramatist, has written Abhignana Shakuntalam, Vikramavashyam and Malvikagnimitra. Shankar Sundri, Amrit Nayak, Bakulal Nayak, Deena Pathak, Jashwant Thakur, Upendra Trivedi, Praveen Joshi and Deepak Ghiwala are well known in the field of dramatic art. Why? It was started about 700 years ago by Aseta Thakur. It is emotion oriented and provides public education along with entertainment. It was promoted during the Solanki era. Bhavai is performed without curtains. Generally, the actors gather people in a street square and they perform in ordinary everyday clothes. Themes include protest against social vices, promotion of girls' education, women's rights, and so on. Rangla Rangli add to the light humor in Bhavai.